Hi everyone, welcome to ChatLish, Chat in English. Today, we have a fun and easy conversation just for you. Let's listen to 3 students talking about their school, favorite subjects, and what they do during the day. This video is perfect for beginners who want to learn simple English and practice speaking. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the chat with us.
Hey guys, how's your day so far?
Not bad. I just finished my math homework. It was so hard.
Really? I think today's math homework was easier than last week.
I agree with Alya. I finished it in class. Mr. Andi explained it very well.
Wow. You both are so good at math. I need more practice. By the way, what subject do you like the most?
I think I like English the most. It's fun to learn new words.
I love art class. Drawing and painting make me happy.
That's cool. I like science. Doing experiments is really exciting.
Oh yes, science class is fun too. Remember when we made a volcano last week?
Haha, yes. It exploded so fast. I was a little scared.
And the floor was full of red foam. That was the best experiment ever.
What do you think about our school? Do you like it?
I like it a lot. The teachers are kind and helpful.
Yes, and our library is big. I love spending time there after class.
Me too. Sometimes I read storybooks or do homework in the reading corner.
How about the canteen? I think the fried rice is the best.
Haha, yes. I always buy it on Fridays. It's so tasty.
I usually buy noodles and a cup of iced tea. That's my favorite.
Do you like sports class?
Yes, I love playing badminton. How about you?
I enjoy running. It makes me feel strong and free.
I prefer football. It's my favorite game. I want to join the school team.
That's great. You should join. You're really good at it.
Yes, we'll come and watch your first match.
Thanks, guys. You're the best.
Let's work hard and enjoy our school days together.
Yes, let's make every day fun and full of learning.